Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. I thought for this video I would just go ahead and show you guys what I carry in my bag for shopping in Tokyo. It is late August. It is super hot. This would definitely not be my first choice in terms of time of year to come to Japan, but it was just kind of how it worked with my schedule and giving notice of my job and taking a break between my next job. The last time I was here, it was like mid-June and the weather was nice. It was perfectly pleasant and warm, but not too hot. I'm definitely not used to this kind of heat at all. So I have been kind of just like a sweaty monster everywhere I go. But that being said, I thought it would be fun to just kind of go and show you like what I carry in my bag. Actually bags, plural, because I've been carrying a tote bag and a crossbody bag. For me, when I go out in Tokyo during the day, I'm kind of anticipating to be out for most of the day. Things here don't open till 11 or so. And I will try to come back to my hotel like maybe 4:35-ish just to kind of take a little break between day of shopping and then going out to dinner or meeting up with friends later. Because of the heat, I've had to carry a lot more items with me than usual. So let me go ahead and show you. So here is my trusty Gucci crossbody bag. She is well worn, lots of wear and tear on her, but she fits everything I need. So first of all, I have this little card holder here. This is my tourist Suica card. And then usually the hotel key is by the light right now, but I will stick the hotel key on this side right here. And this is great because this I did get on a previous trip to Tokyo. This comes off and you can kind of loop it around your bag or something just to keep it, just to have easy access. And then this comes out as well. So when I am getting on and off the subway or getting on and off the train, I can just easily tap on and go through. So that I kind of keep in my front pocket for easy access. And then I have a handkerchief because I have been sweating like crazy and I need something to wipe the sweat off. Here is my mini pochette. Normally the handkerchief is in here, but I have it out for easy access. I have this cute little mini portable fan right here. I got this off of Amazon and you can just, it's rechargeable and it's just nice. It helps. It is better than nothing, but because it is so warm here, it is just kind of circulating warm air in your face, but at least some airflow is better than no airflow. I have a hand sanitizer. I have my Bastia. So you guys know, normally I have the blue one that I got. That was the first Bastia I got. I left that in San Francisco because I've been putting change in there for parking. I don't drive, but I have friends who drive. So sometimes if I am with someone who I know is driving and we may need to pay for parking, I will just bring that Bastia with me. And I didn't want to dump all those coins out. And since I had a second Bastia, I was like, I'm just gonna take the pink one. And I love this color, it's so pretty. So I've been putting all my Japanese yen coins in here and I love the Bastia is great for coins because it acts like a little tray and then you can kind of just like move the coins around and kind of pick what you need. I will say though, this is the first time I've used this Bastia and after day one, I could already see like all the dirt on the inside. So if that bothers you, I would go for a darker color, but for me, it's like the inside, so who cares? But yeah, she's already gotten some wear and tear on this trip because she is a lighter color. So I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some dark spots right there, but I still love the Bastia. I think it's a great SLG. I have a lip balm. This is a Japanese lip balm I got on a previous trip, but it's very hydrating and I like it. I think I randomly picked this up at a drugstore the last time I was here. I have my passport, which I always carry around with me in Japan because I never know when I'm going to need it for tax-free. You do need to show your passport for tax-free. I think now they're doing a system where you can show a QR code, but I couldn't register it online. And honestly, Japan is so safe. I feel completely safe walking around here. No one's going to steal my passport. Like, it's not an issue. So I really don't mind carrying this around. And then I have my Gucci wallet. This is what I consider to be my travel wallet, not my everyday wallet. But this is great because it does have two bill slots right here. So I've been putting my yen in here and this one I've been just using for receipts or other papers. And I'm not going to show you the contents of my wallet, but I do love that it has 10 credit card slots. I have my international debit card, which I need because you do need to use cash here. And my international debit card doesn't charge me any foreign conversion fees as well as gives me a refund for any ATM fees. So that I need. I have my usual credit cards plus my Priority Pass card and my driver's license, which I wouldn't really need here. Yeah, just all the stuff. So there's that. And then I think that's empty now. Yes, completely empty. So that is what I carry in my crossbody bag, like essentials for money and passport and all that stuff. This is my Sandro tote bag, which is just a great summertime bag. It can fit a lot. It has a very generous shoulder drop, so it's comfortable. And when it's empty, it weighs like nothing because it's basically just a fabric crochet bag. So here I have a hat because it can be really, really sunny here in the sun. It just like beats down. So this is my hat. I bought this off of Amazon and I have to say it's been pretty helpful. It's a neck fan and you need to wear your hair up, and I don't have a hair tie on me right now, but basically you just put it around your neck like that. And let me just like put my hair up for a second. And then you hit a button here and then it flows air to your face. And even though it's plastic, I would have to say it's pretty lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on me at all. And there's a couple different settings. I'll just turn it off. This has been a lifesaver. I'm so happy that I brought this with me. They have other styles too. I think they have ones where you can put ice in them or like throw them in a fridge or something. But because I'm traveling and I'm staying at a hotel, I just wasn't sure what the fridge situation was going to be like. So this is just a nice rechargeable neck fan. I have 2 shopping bags with me here. Some of the stores here, especially I think like the 100 yen stores, will charge you for bags, and I don't want to bother with that. So I have 2 shopping bags here. And I have a bottle of water from the hotel, currently staying at the Grand Hyatt. And so they give you these bottles of water for free, and I usually grab one with me for the day. And I have an umbrella here because I also need shade from the sun. I have to say, like, you don't really see people in the US carrying umbrellas for the sun, but you do see it's very common here in Asia. It's a little annoying to have to like hold an umbrella while you're walking around, but I do have to say I think it helps just being in the shade a little bit. And then I also have my sunglasses here. For this trip, I did bring my Chanel Sunnies, and this is what they look like. And yeah, is that it? Yeah, so this bag is totally empty now. So that is what I carry with me on a regular shopping day in Tokyo, especially in the summertime. The only other bag that I brought with me on this trip is this vintage Gucci Abbey bag, which I absolutely love. It does match my wallet right here, so it's a little matchy-matchy moment. But this one I've been using to go out to dinner. I have a couple friends here that I've been meeting up with in the evenings, and I like this because it still fits a good amount. Oh, there's one more thing that I do carry with me that I need to show you guys. So the other things that I carry with me is this thing for Wi-Fi. I do have service here, but the service here is not super fast, and it's just nice to have a portable Wi-Fi device here, and you can rent these from the airport. So this is something I do every trip to Tokyo. I've been coming here for years and years, and every time I come here, I reserve a Wi-Fi device and take it with me wherever I go. And then the other thing on the evenings I'll take when I'm going out with my friends is a morning recovery, because I just need this for alcohol. So this is what I'll bring with me. And so all that, you know, my wallet, my Wi-Fi device, and my Suica card and my fan, they all fit in here very comfortably as well. So this will be like my evening bag. And yeah, that is it for this video. I thought I would do a quick little room tour. This is a suite at Hotel Toranomon Hills, and I really, really love this room. Sorry, it's a little messy up there because I just walked in from a day of shopping, so they didn't touch anything on the table. But here is the entryway. I have all my shoes lined up. I actually have some of my bags lined up on the hooks up there. And then this is the bathroom, or just the toilet room, I guess. And then I have a little sink mini bar up there. This is the table I've been using as my desk. And back here is the living suite area, and it is so, so nice. There's a gigantic TV, and this is the shower area right there, as you can see. And then straight ahead, we have the bedroom and really, really beautiful views of the city right there. It is so huge. I love this hotel. And I have a walk-in closet, which is amazing. So I have 3 suitcases up top and then a large suitcase down here. And here's the closet, and I have like all these sections down here for clothes and storage and things like that. And then this is the shower and bathtub, which I haven't even had time to take a bath, but I really, really want to. And then this is the vanity area right there. So yeah, this is my hotel room. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, and if you would also subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And with that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.